we go again, friends. Another Friday and back to business. Monkey bars business, that is. It's cool and breezy. It might rain, scattered showers as usual, and I'm already a bit winded. But that's normal coming off of the big deadlifts day that we had. And we get down to the bars within 24 hours of our last workout, so we have a shorter recovery. We talked about that before, and slowly but surely bod will adapt. So let's get into it. We'll see you at the monkey bars. Well, my friends, here we are again. Normal conditions, kind of breezy, kind of feeling like I need to have a little rest before I get started after the walk. We have our modified workout to do, and I guess we should get to it. As you can see, the sky in the background, it's kind of gray, but over on this side it's brighter. So let's get into it. We'll be back with a report right after this inspirational message. Got that. Well, my friends, looks like it's a bona fide rain out, but we did get some stuff done. And what are you going to do? You got to walk back, but not in this. So remember, subscribe, like, share. I'll see you next workout. Well, friends, this is the first time this season that we got rained out of the monkey bars business workout. I don't know, did you catch the thunder in the background? We made a good show of it nonetheless. I think we got 2 rounds done of the first batch, so that was good. We'll take it. And we'll probably spend the rest of this day, this workout day, working out in the spot. But you know, I got some previous clips to tide you over until next week.